What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. We got a special day today. We came out here the other day and we're gonna be right back out because we're not gonna have ice for too long. So today we're gonna be doing a bluegill catch and cook. Trevor just got here. I've been here for about 15 minutes just like setting up. It's already like 2 o'clock, so we are gonna kind of stay out during dark and we're gonna film as much as we can, but we caught so many bluegill the last time we were here. Hopefully the bite is even half that just so we can get enough bluegill. We're gonna try and go for like maybe 15 bluegill for the catch and cook, but then we're just gonna take you through the whole process of catching the fish, bringing the fish back, and then cooking them up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get today underway. Yeah, Trevor! Woo! Guys, so we were back out in the same pond as me and Trevor, as I was just saying. We're gonna switch up the spot. We are not gonna sit in that spot where we caught like 60 bluegill. We're gonna go closer to this shoreline and hopefully we can find them. I definitely got a bass. Nice. Guys, I was just jigging that really hard. That is definitely a bass. Definitely a bass, dude. Oh shit. Line's on yours. Yeah, under your bail, under your bail. Yeah, I did. He came off. Alright guys, our lines got tangled there and he popped off once his jig like came towards mine, but I was jigging that like pretty hard too, and like right away he hit it. I'm a little bit butthurt, I just missed that bass. Like I was saying, like I was jigging like pretty hard and then the bass hit. I don't think it was that big, but it was still a bass, first fish of the day.
And then grab the tail. Oh, there we go. Is that a bass?
No, Mongo gill. First eater of the day. Alright guys, so this is gonna be our first eater. We're gonna cut the gills on this. Oh. And there's another eater. Yeah?
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, that's a big one. Yes. Another eater?
Yep.
Alright guys, we got 3 eaters already to start the day. Right after missing that bass. Trevor, watch your line. I think it's just a big gill. Oh, no. Eater, what do you think?
Yeah.
There you go. Bass?
Oh, I think it's a nice one.
Alright. Let me know when you think you got a good one, because I'll reel up. Let's not lose another fish like that. I was battling that first one, though. Ooh! Double! Whoa!
2 nice ones. That one's a definite keeper.
This is definitely the biggest one so far. Trevor, how many we got in the ice right now?
We got 5. 6 with that one.
All right guys, so we are gonna try something different. We're gonna go to plastics as well. We got wax worms, but we already have about 6 gills, so we're pretty much like 10 away from hitting our mark of what we need for a catch and cook tonight. It's just gonna be me and Trevor. Got it.
That's a little guy.
I said we throw that one back. You think we should throw that one back? And keep like the mongos?
Yeah, we can do that if we want.
I mean, what do you think? Do you think I'd be kind of... Alright guys, me and Trevor just had another 2, but we're gonna release these. Dude, what would you do if you knocked the deeper under it, like,
dude, my deeper
went over there?
At 3 Oaks, dude, my deeper went like 40 feet underwater.
It did?
I had it tied to the side of the boat, and I dropped the anchor off the boat or something, or somebody dropped the anchor off, and then it tied with the line my deeper was on and tangled with it, broke the line off the boat and pulled it all the way down. And so when we pulled it up from the anchor, it was like untied from the boat and just wrapped around in the anchor rope.
What the hell?
That was insane, because it's not supposed to get submerged, and it literally went like 40 feet underwater at 3 Oaks, and it was okay.
That looks like a better one. Or it's just fighting pretty good. Dude, like those little ones like throw you off guard. All right, guys, so as you just saw, Trevor threw that smaller one back. We're only gonna keep the big ones. I know all you guys love catch and cooks. Well, most of you guys, I'm sure, do. We're not gonna keep a bunch of bluegills, and this pond is literally fully loaded. The caretaker told me in November of this year that we can keep as many bluegills as we want out of here this year because there's so many. They're like overpopulated. So we're actually doing the pond a favor. That's a big one.
That is a big one.
I'm still kind of butthurt I missed that bass. That was nice.
Keep it?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I've never tried these mustache worms. I had this in my video that I had no idea what these were. I'm gonna put this on my tungsten jig. All right, guys, so this is what I'm using. I am using a little mustache worm, and it has like a ball in the middle and then like 2 little nipple tassels on the end. So I'm gonna try this. We already have 8 gills. We've been here for 15 minutes.
Yeah, they're so stacked off the spot, it's ridiculous.
No way, the first drop on the mustache worm. That's insane. Guys, first drop on this mustache worm. Dude, that was nuts. Dude.
Bass?
No, decent gill. Holy shit.
It never gets old.
Yo, maybe we should throw these mustache worms because we'll probably get bigger fish.
Bass?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, nope.
It's a nice gill.
All right, guys, so we think that these mustache worms are definitely getting the bigger gills. I just hit one at about 9 inches, being the biggest gill of the day so far. All of our gills back here are 8 inches or over, so that's gonna be our mark. Anything under 8, we're just gonna throw back. The stuff in the mystery tackle box actually does work. I literally held up that bag and I was like, I've never seen these before, and they're working right away, so. Missed it.
Nice gill.
Should I reel up?
Oh, Tommy, it just broke my line. It was a huge bass. Do you see that?
Yeah, I literally saw it like under the ice.
That was probably like a 3-pounder.
Guys, Trevor just had a huge bass on. It was this mustache worm again off the gold tungsten jig, and it literally snapped his line. All right, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Why would you say that? All right, so I'm still jigging for these bluegill. You have one on that?
Yeah.
Should I reel up?
Just a big gill. A really big gill.
All right, so Trevor's throwing a jig and wrap, just nailed a huge gill off that thing. Nice, dude.
On. Is it nice?
That's a bass. Well, this is a huge gill, dude.
It's gotta be a bass. In a sec.
The first bass of the day. I lost one. Finally got it. Here we go. All right, guys, so a quick update for you. We got 15 gill on the ice right now. We're only gonna keep the bluegill that are 9 inches and over after this. So 15 so far. I mean, he's still slaying. We pretty much kind of changed up. Kind of stopped throwing wax worms, so it wasn't like completely automatic. We wanted to try like new things, different things. We're gonna go back to the wax worms and finish out the day strong. Oh, dude, look how big that one is.
I can't see it. Was it a bass or a gill?
It was a gill, and it came off right at the f***ing hole. It's huge.
It's a nice one.
See, guys, right back to the wax worm, and me and Trevor both start slaying. My hands are getting freezing. I kind of sound a little bit more sick today, so I'm sorry if I sound like a nasally nerd. Dude, wax worm on this pond is literally like cheap. Alright guys, we're gonna be wrapping it up. The sun's going down, it's getting cold, and we have about 17 gills to go fillet and eat, so.
This thing's gonna get smacked, I know that. Right away.
Is that a stink bug?
I think so. I have no idea what bug
Only you, dude. Trevor just hooked on a stink bug from the ice.
Sitting right on the ice, I know a gill's gonna smack it within like 2 seconds. Oh yeah, dude, look at the lines up here. They're chasing it up. I haven't even dropped it 4 feet down.
Oh dude, that's a decent one.
That's nice.
Alright guys, we're at 18 gills. We're gonna get to 20 and then we're gonna call it. Wow, that was an easy release. Oh yeah, there's 19. 19, one more fish and we're gonna go home, fillet these up. I'm hungry, I'm sure Trevor's hungry.
That'd be the one?
That's the one.
There we go.
There it is, number 20 guys. Alright guys, we are back and we're gonna fillet these fish. So we got the electric fillet knife and we got about 20 bluegill to fillet, so. Alright guys, we finished the fillets. We're gonna go inside now and rinse all these off. Look how much meat we got. Alright guys, we got our big fillets. We got our small ones. A bunch of meat. Me and Trevor are gonna be eating good tonight. First catch and cook of ice season.
Let's get it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go with a little butter. I guess you could bet what seasoning I'm about to grab right now. Trevor, your mind's about to be blown.
With this recipe here?
Right here.
I'm ready to try it. It's gonna be good.
Get your butter melted. Get ready for the Tonys. Alright guys, grab the Tonys. Nice even layer. Guys, this is Trevor's first time trying Cajun with a fish.
Oh, that is good.
You like it?
That is awesome. Got that plate over there though.
Alrighty guys, the fish is done, and now we're gonna have a little mukbang out here. These fish were literally caught probably about, what, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago?
Yeah. Doesn't get much fresher than this.
Well, we slayed it, had a good day, caught some fish. All right, now tell the viewers your honest opinion of the Cajun recipe.
9.6 out of 10.
Ooh.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
Pretty damn good.
Yeah. Because the seasoning just gives like a little kick to it, a little something.
Like the butter and shit.
Yeah, because the butter's super smooth.
Trevor's got his root beer, only because he's underage. I got my MGD, and I'm sorry, Dad, I needed this. But the Cajun recipe, you guys have seen me do this like 1,000 times. I'm like obsessed with the recipe. I think the Cajun, the butter just go hand in hand, like for like any type of fish. And pretty much everyone that I've cooked it for usually says it's pretty damn good. So, and Trevor wouldn't bullshit it either. If he was bad, he'd be like, yeah, I'm not eating this.
Yeah. I'm always honest and straight up, and this is straight up good.
Feels good though. Froze our ass off towards the end of the day. Well, I did.
Yeah. But got a nice big dinner from it.
Think about it. These fish were swimming in that pond like 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
So would you ever do this recipe on your own?
100%, because it's easy and it tastes super good. It's literally just seasoning and butter. That's all you need.
Yeah, no like, you don't need to deal with like all the breading bullshit.
Yeah.
Remember our first Catch and Cook, Barker? Pop up a clip from the first Catch and Cook me and Trevor did. I am going to marinate the fillets in the Frank's Red Hot for just a few minutes. Then I'm throwing in some flour, and then we're going to bake it. So like I said, I'm going to give it a nice shake and then let this sit for a few minutes. That was kind of a shit show. I put Frank's Red Hot, and I honestly didn't think that was that good.
Yeah, it was all right.
I mean, I know at first we both kind of thought it was good, but then once we kind of like started eating it, we're like, do you want this? And you're like, no, do you want it? And we threw it out.
After a while, yeah, I got old.
This is good though. The Cajun seasoning, I can pretty much eat like any, I could probably eat a catfish with Cajun, and I'm not too big of a fan of catfish. Let's see what Kenzie thinks of it. She just said it's good if you couldn't.
Yeah.
Solid day in the water. Went out yesterday, 60 gills, 4 bass.
Yeah.
Went out today, probably 30 to 40 gills.
Yeah, in like 2 hours.
Pretty much 2 bass. And yeah, a total of probably over 100 gills in a total of 5 hours between 2 days. The first day we didn't want to do a Catch and Cook, and we figured we'd come out the next morning, which was today, to do the Catch and Cook. So we got it done. Turned out good, as always, and I was super hungry towards the end of the day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of McGrath Fishing. And thanks to Trevor, as always, for coming out, fishing with me, helping me cook up the fish. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we are out.